Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a very simple question for you and I will show you the answer through CouponBet. And the question is this. You have a customer who is very interested in Africa and specifically Morocco. They want to travel Morocco and they want to see all the nice things in Morocco. However, they have a question for you. They will ask you, I would like to go to Morocco, I would like to book your package, but do I need a visa? Is Morocco visa-free for Philippine passport holders? Well, let's see. So I will show you through this site exactly how you can find the answer straight away. First of all, we are right now, once you're logged in, you are on your dashboard, you just click here on the tools. As you click on the tools, you will be directed to the tools tab, and in the tools, you can see multiple tools all suitable for travel agencies. However, we are looking for this one, visa info for Philippine passport holders. This is only for Philippine passport holders. So you can see here all the information that's required, and you can see if you scroll down, you can see instantly here what is visa free and what not, and there's even for cruise visas and all kind of options. However, what do we need? Morocco. So let's type in Morocco, and there you are. Instantly, you know the information. Morocco is visa free for a tourist visa. And you can see here, to be sure, tourist visa or cruise visa. Morocco is visa free. So you can tell your customer, no problem at all for visa, it is visa free. So this is how you can use CouponBet to be more efficient and help your customers far more better. And you might be very interested in this. So let me show you how you can get access to CouponBet right away. This is truly instantly. So first of all, just go to couponbet.com. So I'm going to remove this and just press enter here. And instantly, once you do that, you will see here secured, and this is couponbet.com. So you click here on the sign up now button, and once you click on sign up now, you get a registration form. In here, you put in your travel agency name, the username, your email, and a password. So fill it up. Make sure you remember your username and your password for logging in. That's important. And once you click on register now, you get an email, and this email is includes a confirmation link. So what happens is you check your email inbox, search for an email from CouponBet, and if you cannot find the email, maybe it is in your spam folder. It's one or the other, depending on your email system, whatever you use. However, check it. Once you find it, open the email from CouponBet and click on the confirmation link. Once you click on the confirmation link, your account has been confirmed and is fully activated. From that moment on, you can log in right away. You don't need to worry anything at all. So you can start right away and you have access to CouponBet. Very easy and very straightforward. So if you're interested, register right away with CouponBet.